Hello my dear viewers, welcome back. In this video we are going to study the lesson number 1 of class 1 maths Karnataka state syllabus, that is spatial understanding. After studying this unit, you can use the vocabulary of spatial relationships such as top, bottom, on, under, inside, outside, above, below, near, far, before, after. So these are all the spatial relationship. That means how we have to use these words. Okay, after studying the concepts clearly, you will understand the difference between these two. Now first is top and bottom. Top means upside, bottom means downside. Here in this picture you can see Anant is painting at the top of the building. As I have told you, top means at the upside. So Anant is painting the building at the upside. Here bird is sitting on the top of the tree. Bird is sitting on the upside of the tree. Okay. See here, more examples are there. Monkey is sitting at the top of the pillar, right? See, where is the monkey sitting? Monkey is sitting at the top of the pillar. Now here, fire is touching at the bottom of the pot. As I have told you, bottom means the downside. So here, fire is touching at the bottom of the pot. Now milk is at the bottom of the glass. Here, the milk is there at the bottom of the glass. Now same example for the bottom. Here is at the bottom, hole is at the bottom of the pot. Where is the hole, children? Hole is there at the bottom of the pot, right? Yes. See here one vase is there. In this, flower is where is the flower? Top or bottom? Flower is upside, so flower is at the top and pot is at the downside. That means pot is at the bottom. Here you can see two pots are there. What you have to do is you have to put tick mark for the pot which is there at the bottom. As I have told you, bottom means downside. Okay, so you have to put tick mark for the pot which is there at bottom. Next, tick the sack at the top. Here many sacks are there in which you have to tick the sack of the topper. Okay, here tick the disc at the bottom downside you have to tick. See here children, you have to color these apples and you have to color the apple at the top. You have to color the apple only which is there at the top. That means you have to color this apple. Okay, now on and under. See children, under means inside, on means upper side. Okay, see here television is on the table. On means upper side, so television is there on the table. Mat is on the floor. Where is the mat? Mat is on the floor. As I have told you, upper side. Okay, photograph is on the wall. See, where is the photograph? Photograph is on the wall. Now see here, under means inside that. Dog is under the table. Dog is inside the table. Cat is under the cage. See here, cat is there down the cage, so it is under the cage. Okay, now river is flowing under the bridge. Where is river flowing? Down to the bridge. Okay, now put right mark to the vase on the table. Which is the vase which is there on the table? On means upside, so we will put right mark. Now here tick right mark the boy sitting on the bench. Which boy is sitting on the bench? For that we have to put right mark. See here, this boy is sitting on the bench, so we will put right mark. Now color the lamps under the staircase. See children, the lamps which are there here upside, for that we will say on the staircase, but this is under the staircase means inside the staircase. We have to color these. Now tick right mark the cat under the cot. Under means inside the cot, we will put right mark to this cat. Now inside and outside. See here children, fruits are inside the basket, leaves are outside the basket. So inside means in that inside, outside means outside. Okay, so see here, mother is inside the house, father is outside the house. Here chickens are inside the basket. Okay, now tick the dog inside the kennel. So which dog is there inside the kennel? Kennel means the house of the dog. So which dog is there inside the kennel? This dog, we have to put right mark. Okay, now tick right mark. The flower pot inside the house. See here, 3 flower pots are there. Which flower pot is there inside the house? This flower pot. So we will put here tick mark. Now tick the fruits inside the basket. So which are the fruits which are there inside the basket? This one. So we will tick this. Now tick the children outside the cart. Which are the children which are there outside the cart? These children. So we will tick them. Okay. Now next topic is above and below. Below means downside, above means upper side. Okay, eyes are below the eyebrows. Eyes are downside to the eyebrows. Mouth is below the nose. Mouth is down to the nose. Nose is above the mouth. Nose is upper to the mouth. Eyebrows are above the eyes. Eyebrows are upper to the eyes. Now see here, lamp is above the table. Where is the lamp? Lamp is upper side to the table. Table is below the lamp. Table is down to the lamp. Now a circus artist is holding the rod above his head, upper side to his head, and the girl is watching from the below, from the downside. Now put tick right mark the birds flying above the tree. Which one we have to put right mark? For this bird which is flying upper side to the tree. Now color the ball above the head of the joker. So which is the ball which is there above the head of the joker? This one. So we have to color this. Tick right mark the bird flying below the kite. Which bird is flying downside below to the kite? We have to put right mark. Now tick the butterfly below the flower. Which butterfly is there below the flower? This butterfly. So we will put right mark. Now next is near and far. So near means which is closer to us. Far means which is away from us. Okay. Mother is near the child. And moon is far away from the child. See, mother is closer to the child and moon is very away from the child. So now here Ravi is standing near the swing. Can you see the Ravi is standing near the swing? Yes. And Mary is standing far away from the swing. Here in this picture you can see bird is near the tree and sheep is far from the tree. And if we will compare to the pond, sheep is near the pond and bird is far from the pond. The next picture, here you can see a pond is there, and near the pond one deer is there, and away from the pond, far away from the pond, another one deer is there. You have to color the deer which is near the pond. Okay. Here color the butterfly far from flower. So here 2 butterflies are there. One is near the flower and another one is far from the flower. Which one you have to color? You have to color far from the flower. See here a boy is playing with 2 cars. Color the near car with green and the far car from blue. So which is the near car? This one is the nearest car. So we will color this with green and the far car with blue. Okay. Next, before and after. So see here children, one candle is there. Candle, how was the candle before lighting? It was full, and when we light it, after lighting, the candle have reduced its size and it have become small. So this candle is after lighting, it have become small. Here see here flower pot before lighting is like this, and after lighting it is like this. Now see here, wash the mango before eating, eat the mango after washing. So children, before eating mango you have to wash it and you have to eat the mango after washing it. Okay. Now see here, tick right to the activity that comes before. So first what will you do? First we will get up and then after we will brush. So first activity is before is getting up. Now tick right mark to the activity that comes after. First you will cook or first you will eat? First we will cook and after we will eat. So we will put right mark to the after activity, eating. So this is all about your lesson number 1. I am going to upload all the lessons of maths grade 1. If you want, you can check the playlist of my channel. Thanks for watching.